Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we talk about 10 must-visit hidden gems in the United States. The United States is a vast and diverse country that offers an endless array of intriguing destinations to explore. While popular tourist attractions are worth a visit, there are many hidden gems that are often overlooked. These hidden gems provide a unique and authentic experience that allows travelers to get off the beaten path and discover the lesser-known parts of the country. From stunning natural wonders and historic landmarks to charming small towns and bustling cities, there's something for everyone to discover. 1. Natural wonders. Uncovering lesser-known national parks and scenic spots. While popular national parks like Yellowstone and Yosemite often steal the spotlight, there are countless hidden gems across the United States waiting to be discovered. One such hidden gem is the Great Sand Dunes National Park in Colorado. Nestled at the foot of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, this park boasts the tallest sand dunes in North America, creating a surreal landscape that resembles a desert oasis. Walking barefoot on the warm sand, surrounded by towering peaks, is an experience that will transport you to another world. 2. Off the beaten path cities. Discovering charming and unique destinations. When it comes to exploring the United States, many travelers flock to the well-known cities like New York, Los Angeles, or Chicago. Off the beaten path cities offer a unique and authentic experience that is often overlooked by tourists. These charming destinations have their own distinct character, rich history, and vibrant culture that make them worth a visit. 3. Historic landmarks, unveiling hidden gems with rich cultural significance. When it comes to exploring the United States, there is no shortage of iconic landmarks that attract millions of visitors each year. These historic landmarks offer a glimpse into the nation's past, unveiling stories and traditions that have shaped the American identity. From lesser-known battlefields to tucked-away heritage sites, these hidden gems are a treasure trove of history and culture. 4. Quirky attractions. Uncovering the unexpected and unusual sites to visit. While popular landmarks and well-known destinations are often the go-to for travelers, there is something truly special about uncovering the unexpected and unusual sites that may be hiding in plain sight. Picture stumbling upon the world's largest ball of twine in Cawker City, Kansas, or venturing to the International Cryptozoology Museum in Portland, Maine, dedicated to the study of mythical creatures. 5. Culinary delights. Exploring lesser-known foodie destinations and local specialties. When it comes to culinary delights, exploring lesser-known foodie destinations in the United States can unveil a whole new world of flavors and local specialties that will leave your taste buds begging for more. 6. Underrated beaches. Finding hidden coastal treasures away from the crowds. When you think of beaches in the United States, the popular ones like Miami Beach, Malibu, and Waikiki probably come to mind. However, there are hidden coastal gems tucked away from the crowds, waiting to be discovered by adventurous travelers. One such hidden treasure is Cape Hatteras National Seashore in North Carolina. Stretching over 70 miles, this pristine beach offers breathtaking views, rolling sand dunes, and a sense of tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. The absence of high-rise hotels and busy tourist attractions allows visitors to truly connect with nature and enjoy the serenity of the ocean. 7. Outdoor adventures. Unveiling lesser-known hiking trails, waterfalls, and outdoor activities. When it comes to outdoor adventures, the United States is a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be explored. One such hidden gem is the Angel's Landing Trail in Zion National Park, Utah. This challenging hike takes you along a narrow ridge with sheer drop-offs on either side, rewarding you with panoramic views of the park's stunning red rock formations. It's a thrilling adventure that will leave you feeling accomplished and in awe of nature's beauty. 8. Cultural experiences. Discovering hidden gems in the arts, music, and festivals. The United States is known for its vibrant cultural landscape, offering a plethora of hidden gems in the arts, music, and festivals. These cultural experiences provide a unique and immersive way to explore the rich diversity of the country. One such hidden gem is the Marfa Lights in Texas. This phenomenon has baffled scientists and intrigued visitors for decades. Every night, mysterious lights appear in the desert sky, dancing and flickering in mesmerizing patterns. It's a truly captivating experience that combines art with the enigmatic wonders of nature. 9. Practical tips for exploring hidden gems and planning your itinerary. Exploring hidden gems in the United States can be an incredibly rewarding experience. These off-the-beaten-path destinations often offer unique attractions, breathtaking landscapes, and a sense of discovery that is hard to find in more popular tourist spots. 10. Allow for flexibility. Hidden gems may not have the same tourist infrastructure as popular destinations. Therefore, it's important to be flexible with your itinerary. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the hidden gems in the United States through our content. So pack your bags, hit the road, and embark on an unforgettable journey to these hidden treasures across the United States. Happy travels!